Hey guys, how is it going? In today's tutorial, we are going to integrate an automated testing framework with Java into Gitlab CI/CD pipelines. To spare some time, I've already generated a Maven project with a simple test scenario. It contains the following dependencies: JUnit, Selenium Java, Java Client, and the WebDriver Manager dependency used to get rid of the Chrome driver file. If you want to find out more about this topic, there is a dedicated tutorial on the channel, also attached in the description below. Let's move on to the test class. It's located under test Java and contains the hook methods used to create the Chrome driver instance and quit the browser after the test execution. The test itself accesses the QA practice website and verifies that its title contains the RV word. As you can see, the test is running in headless mode, so I recommend you to follow the same approach. Simple, isn't it? Let's start with the real stuff. The Gitlab Ci configuration sits within a Gitlab Ci file located on the same level with the POM file at the root of the project. It's time to create the file by ourselves. Right-click on the project name and select a new file. Pay attention to the file name because it has to be the same as mine. .gitlab-ci.yml. Great, now we have the file. Firstly, we have to provide a Docker image that will be used by GitLab to create a container and execute our test. This image should contain all the dependencies required by the Java framework in order to be able to build the project and execute the test. In our case, it should be an operating system that has pre-installed Maven, JDK, and the Chrome browser. I created and published to Docker Hub such a Docker image that contains all these prerequisites. It's public, so feel free to use it in your projects as well. I also attached its link in the description below. It's really simple, just copy-paste its name in our project, adding the latest tag. We're almost done. We should add a couple of jobs to our pipeline. The first one is build. It will trigger the Maven compile command. The second job is test. That will trigger the Maven clean test command. That's it. The final step is to create a new project repository into GitLab and push the project into it. As you can see, GitLab notices the file that exists in our project and automatically enables the CI/CD performing actions accordingly. With each push, it creates a pipeline and executes the jobs. As you can see, we already have a pipeline in running status. So the build job is currently running. and if you click it, you will be able to see all the logs. The job succeeded, so it automatically moves to the next job. We got green on the build and the test is running. If any test fails, the pipeline will also fail, so GitLab will automatically send out an email to the address used to create the GitLab account, informing that there is a failed execution. The test job succeeded as well, so if we have a look into the pipeline, we will notice that the pipeline passed because all the job passed and everything is green.